Hello guys, welcome to another video of Microsoft Azure, which we are discussing about Microsoft Entra ID and Azure Active Directory. In today's video, we are going to discuss about groups in Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, we will be creating groups. We will see how we can add the users inside the groups, how we can add the permission for the groups, and also how we can add the users or remove the users in the bulk, okay, inside your group. We'll also see how we can change different type of settings for groups and all. Okay, so let's begin the video. To access the group, first you will have to open Microsoft Entra ID here. Open the or simply go here and open it from Azure Services, or you can also type here at the top. This is your Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, from here go to groups, and this is all the groups. In the all group section, you'll be seeing all the groups which you might have created inside your Active Directory or Microsoft Entra ID. To create a new group, you can click on new group. Here you can create two types of group. One is security type and one is Microsoft 365 groups. So if you are creating group to provide access in Azure or access to applications, some of the resources or some of the applications inside your Active Directory, you can create the group type of security. Okay, suppose you want some group to provide some permissions or add users and provide them permission to some of your resources groups in Azure. You can create one group type that is of security. And if you want to create one group for your mailbox or to provide the access to calendars or SharePoint, you can create this Microsoft 365 group. Okay, so based on your requirement, you can select the group type. Let me first create the security group type. Okay, select the group type as security and group name. Suppose this is my group name. Add your security. Provide the description, something like this. Here in owners, you can add the owners as well. Suppose I have added this user as owner. And in the members, you can add the members. So here you can see you can also add the groups, you can also add the members, sorry, the users, and you can also add the applications which you might have created inside your Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, so you can add everything. Click on select and four members will be added and you can create the group. So this group will be created. Let me refresh the page. And you'll be seeing the group which we have created recently. So this is the group. You can see all the details about it: name, object ID, group type, and membership type. Okay, let me open it and see what are the properties we get here. In the overview, you can see everything about it, like membership type, source, group type, when this is created, members, how many are users, how many groups, how many devices are connected, and others. Okay, others is nothing but enterprise applications. You can see the owner, you can see the group membership as well, and group members. Okay, you can create the support tickets from here, or if you have any issues you can check the documentation from here. You can see the group properties if you have to modify it. group name, description, or something like that, you can modify it from here. If you click on members, you can add the members from here. If you click on add members, if you have some requirement to add more members here, like to add this application, you can select and add it from here. Okay. If you want to add members in bulk, you can click on bulk operation. From here, you can add multiple members at once. You can also remove them at once. Okay. To import the members, just click on import, download this CSV file, add all the users which you want to import inside the group. You can add them in the CSV file and you can upload the CSV file from here, and again you can submit it so that all the users will be added inside your group. Same is the case with remove as well. If you want to remove them, add the CSV file, upload your CSV file and submit it so that the members which you have inside your CSV file will be removed automatically inside from this group. Okay, let me go to owners. You'll see the group owner here. If you want to add more owners or if you want to remove some of the owners, you can do it from here. You can see what is the administrative roles which has been assigned to this group. You can also see the administrative unit as well. You can assign the administrative unit for this group by clicking on here. Okay, you can create the group membership. If you want to add it, you can add the groups here inside the group membership. Okay, you can see all the applications inside the group. Okay, you can see the licenses. If you want to apply license or assign license, you can assign the license for this group from here. If you want to see all the Azure role assignments, suppose you have this group and you have given some permission for this group to your resource group or subscription, or suppose contributor access, reader permission, you'll see all the Azure related accesses here for your group. Here inside activity, if you have enabled this feature, privileged identity management for groups, you will be able to provide permission or just in time access for some of the users inside your group, and you can also provide basically ownership kind of thing for some of the groups or users for your group. To use this feature, you will have to upgrade it to Microsoft Entra P2, or you need Microsoft Entra ID governance. Same is the case with accessory views. If you want to use this feature, you will have to upgrade it. You will have to purchase the Microsoft Entra ID governance license. Here inside accessory views, you can review all the accesses, whatever you have inside your group. So suppose some of the team members are leaving or already left, you can remove them from here directly from accessory view, or if you want to provide the accesses, new accesses, you can also do it from accessory view. You can see the details about logs, activity logs, or you can see also say the audit logs, like what is this being done and when. You can see inside the audit logs. For bulk operation results, you can also see the bulk operation results here inside the bulk operation result. If you want to create a new support request for your issues inside the group, you can click on new support request and create it. Let me go back to groups again. Let me click on new group again and create one Microsoft 365 type of group. Here you'll have to type the group name. So suppose you want to create one group with name something like this. This is my group name, and you will have to provide the group email address here. So in this case, suppose your organization name is ABC, then your group email address will be something like ado-365 at the rate abc.com. Okay, ABC is nothing but your tenant, so all the emails will be created inside that. Provide the group description. Okay, and you can also assign the owners inside this group, also the members. If you notice it here, we are getting only the user type of users here in to add in the members. Suppose if you want to add it, you can add it. We are not getting any applications or enterprise applications to add inside our Microsoft 365 group, because we can only create this group for mailboxes or for SharePoint access. Okay, let me select it and create this group. Refresh the page. All everything will be same. Let me open this, which I have already created. Everything will be same like how we had inside the security group. Properties, members, owners, and all everything will be same. Just the difference is the group type. Like we can use Microsoft 365 group just to provide mailbox access or something like that. But for some of the technical things, like if you want to provide permissions in Azure, you can use security type of group. Okay, here inside the deleted group, you can find the list of deleted groups. You can either delete them permanently or restore them from here inside the deleted groups. Okay, you can resolve your issues if you are getting by describing it here, so that Azure will suggest you documentation and steps you can troubleshoot them and fix them. You can manage group related settings from the settings. Suppose you want to enable this feature for your security groups or disable this feature for your Microsoft 365 group type, you can enable and disable it from here and save it. Same is the case with expiration. If you want to set the expiration for your group, you can set it from here. You can add the naming policy for your groups. If you want to block some of the words, you can download this CSV file, add those words, upload this CSV file, and you can block them. If you want to apply some naming policy for your groups, you can enforce people to create the name with only those policies. Okay, so you can also basically assign the group naming policies. Other things are same, like privileged identity management, access reviews, bulk option results. You can manage it from here. Okay, but if for all of these, you will have to upgrade your Microsoft Entra ID. That's it. I think we have covered everything about groups, how we can create the groups, how we can manage the groups, how we can delete and how we can add the users or remove the users in the bulk from the groups. Okay, that's it from this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.